Hey, fellow travelers! Today, I'm sharing with you my top 10 travel hacks that will save you big bucks on your next adventure. So get ready to become a money-saving pro with these ultimate techniques you need to know. Hack number 1. Opt for budget airlines. By choosing no-frills airlines, you can score amazing deals on flights without breaking the bank. Hack number 2. Book your accommodations with Airbnb. Skip the pricey hotels and opt for unique, affordable stays that will add a touch of local flavor to your trip. Hack number 3. Use a reliable travel comparison website. This handy tool allows you to compare prices for flights, hotels, and rental cars, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Hack number 4. Travel during the off-peak season. Not only will you avoid the crowds, but you'll also save a ton of money on flights and accommodations. It's a win-win. Hack number 5. Pack light and avoid baggage fees. Stick to a carry-on bag and save yourself the hassle and expense of checking in luggage. Plus, you'll have more freedom to explore your destination. Hack number 6. Use public transportation. Instead of relying on taxis or expensive tours, hop on local buses, trains, or trams to get around town. Not only will you save money, but you'll also experience the local culture up close. Hack number 7. Eat where the locals eat. Avoid tourist traps and indulge in delicious, authentic cuisine at local eateries. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a true taste of your destination. Hack number 8. Take advantage of free attractions and activities. From museums and galleries to parks and beaches, there are often plenty of free things to do and see wherever you go. Hack number 9. Sign up for airline rewards programs. By collecting miles or points, you can score free flights and upgrades in the future. It's like traveling for free. Hack number 10. Be flexible with your travel dates. By being open to different departure and return dates, you increase your chances of finding the best deals on flights and accommodations. So be flexible and save. And there you have it, my 10 ultimate money-saving travel hacks. I hope these techniques will help you save big on your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration.